Beat it up like. Beat it up like.
What's good, Glamazons? Today we are back with another video. Yes, as you can see by the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a tutorial on Kara Beauty's new palette called Dreamscape. It gives you inspiration. This palette is bomb. So let me show you. It comes with the palette and also is launching a brush set. I don't know if they're gonna do a dual or like a package or a bundle deal, or they're gonna sell it separate. August 26th, it will be dropping for pre-sale, so make sure you guys go check it out if you're interested. Also, I am an affiliate with Kara Beauty, so when you guys use my code, I do make commission. I just want to let that be known. But before we go, you guys already know, hit that subscribe button, become a member of the Glamazon family. You guys already know, gotta join the squad. Also hit that thumbs up button. It will let me know that you guys like my videos, you guys enjoying my content. If you guys want to follow me outside of YouTube to keep up with me, because I do have looks that don't make it on YouTube, all my social media links will be down in the description. So yes, without further ado, let's just jump right into this tutorial. Alrighty guys, so I'm taking this concealer by L'Oreal. This is the Infallible Footwear in Eggshell, and I'm just patting that all over my lid. So I am going in with this first shade. This one's called Voyager, and I'm taking this on a nice flat fluffy brush, and I'm making sure that I really concentrate that color and really pack it onto the eye while also blending it out. This color is gorgeous. So the second shade I'm taking, this one is called Magical Moves, and I love this color. This is a teal color, and I'm making sure that I'm really packing this on the outer edge and really bringing it inward. This is a new shape for me. I've really been enjoying doing this shape, and I'm super excited to show you guys the way this look turned out. So pretty. So yes, we're gonna keep on blending and making sure that everything looks cohesive and just blending in together. And then I'm going to take this shade called Wishes, and I'm going to blend that right on top of that purple shade to get a nice seamless blend while also keeping it very concentrated. So you guys see that I'm taking this big fluffy brush and I'm making sure I blend this outward towards my eyebrow. I really wanted this look to be a blowed out look, and it very much was that. So yes, I'm going to keep blending this out. So now I'm going in with a shade called Crystal Clear. This is like a light teal shade, and I'm blending that right on top of the reflection shade just to get it nice and blended out, to have a nice seamless blend. So I cut my crease off camera, and now I'm tapping it to make sure I get all the creases off my lid. And I'm taking that dark shade again and blending it on my outer corner and making sure I really intensify that outer edge. So I'm making sure I pack it on and get all into those creases. So now I'm taking this beautiful shade called Aurora. This shade really caught my eye. I was so happy to put this on my lid, and I'm just patting that in. So now I'm taking those three shades and just applying that on the outer edge and really making sure I blend it outward, because as you see, I have wrinkles in my eye and I don't want the color to skip. I want it to look nice and seamless. So now I'm just lining up my eye, so this way when I have my false lashes on, everything just smoothly blends out to the outer edge. So I did my base off camera, and now I'm just taking that teal shade, like the dark teal shade, blending that on the lower lash line and really intensifying that and have it connect to the outer corner of my eye. So I really wanted to add a pop of color, so I'm taking the shadow called Emeralds in Water, and I'm really packing that in the inner corner of my eye. I thought it was a really nice touch to this look, and it really made it pop. So yes, I'm just making sure everything looks blended and seamless. Oh guys, this look is everything. So now I'm taking some mascara. This one's by Urban Decay, and I'm just popping that on my lower lash line. So I hope you guys like this look, and I love you all. Bye.